Okay, this is our second brisket that we're preparing to wrap up, and we're going to take a little bit of the grease drippings and kind of add it a little bit to it like that. Then we're going to take the foil and just fold it up, fold it right around it. Try to make a good as tight a seal as we can, like that. Try to hold all that juice in there. Wrap that around. Fold that up, grease it. Now, take the butcher paper. Wrap it right around there. Hold this piece over. And fold that down, smooth it out. Around the end of it, like that. Fold it over like that. Do the same on this one. Wrap it tightly. And we'll take some Scotch tape and put it over it like that. Put a couple of pieces on the ends just to make sure that it don't come off when we're sticking in the oven. But we're going to let this go in the oven, and it'll we'll put it in the pan so that any dripping won't drip out in the oven. But we got it on 175. We're going to let that stay in the oven overnight, and it will finish the cooking. And when we take it out, it should fall all to pieces. And that's what we do.